Hey, this is Mark, and today I've got an iPhone 8 Plus that has the complaint that the cameras are not working after replacing the back glass. So, of course, we're going to focus on the back of the board, and um, the camera-related stuff on the back of this board is right up here, and it looks like we do have a problem. So, I'm going to pull up ZXW. Go pull up ZXW and see what we have here. We're on PP camera VCM PBBB connector PP2B85 camera. So this is the power for the camera. And then this resistor over here is a data line for camera. So let's see what's up with this power line. And we are short to ground, of course. Now the chances are good that this cap is going to be the source of the short, and it probably got shorted during the back glass repair. We're just going to work that guy off. There we go. Alright, now we have a correct reading in diode, and we should be able to slap everything back together. Should be able to slap everything back together and get camera to work again. Of course. Of course the battery's not charged. Alright, let's see. What I got? Alright, guess this battery isn't charged either. Nope. Alright, fine. We will power it off of DC power. Hello? Alright. Okay, sorry about that phone call. But yeah, so we are back to having the battery plugged in, let it charge for a few minutes. Now it is booted up again. And let's see if... Oh! It's booted up and ready to go, except I did not plug in the cameras. Alright, now we've got the cameras plugged back in. Oh man, I am just a mess today. Alright, now, here we go. Oh, and it wants to charge some more. Of course it does. Okay, opening up the camera app. And there we go. Got rear camera. We've got front camera. Alright, camera is fixed. And that's that. Another nice, short, easy one. Love those single cap short problems. Alright, thanks for watching.